Column addition. In column addition, we split, or partition, larger numbers into their hundreds, tens, and units, or ones, and we add down the columns. Column addition is an easier way to visualize many numbers, and we can focus on adding one part at a time to get the correct result. So let's look at the ones part. Here we have 2 plus 3, which equals 5. We move to the tens column. We have 4 plus 1, which also equals 5. And finally, if we move to the hundreds column, we have 3 plus 6, which equals 9. So 342 plus 613 is equal to 955. You might hear the word units used instead of ones. It means the same thing, a single digit number, and is written as a U instead of an O. 432 plus 389 equals 1. Remember, roughly and quickly estimate your answer in your head first, so you know where your answer will lie. So if we estimate 400 and 300, you'll get 700, and 80 and 30 is 120, so the answer is around 820. 2. Place the numbers one on top of the other, lining up the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. 3. Add the ones and write the answer 11. 1 goes in the unit column, and you carry over the 10 and write it at the very bottom of the tens column as a 1, which is the same as saying 110. 4. Add the tens, including any tens you have carried over. This makes 12. Now carry over any hundreds under the hundreds column. There's 1 100, and write it as a 1 at the bottom of the hundreds column. 5. Add the hundreds column, including the one you have carried over. 6. Double check your answer to see if it makes sense with your original estimate. Estimate was 820, and the final answer was 821, and this makes sense, doesn't it?